Howdy, it's Matt, and in this video we have got the Sonic F1 RaceWing, and this is actually the second flight with this wing, and I absolutely caned its nuts off. This is a plug-and-play kit. The foam is crazy thick. I'll get a video out of a maiden and a third flight where we have a happy finish. And you'll notice there's no propeller on it. I've absolutely caned the nuts, or the propeller of this thing, ridiculously fast, easily 100 miles an hour out of the box, goes exactly where you point it, and I have had so much fun today. It's unreal. I've had 3 batteries in this one, and I wish I took the spare propeller with me as well, because I've ripped this one to pieces. Absolutely corking. So look out for the maiden video very shortly, but in the meantime, hold on to your seats and kiss your goodbye. Cheerios.